If you're an Uber or Lyft driver and you don't have a Play Octopus tablet, then you're doing it wrong. What's going on, guys? My name's Avionics and I'm an Uber and Lyft rideshare driver. And about a month and a half ago, I came across an ad on my social media for Play Octopus tablets. Play Octopus tablets are for rideshare drivers to use in their vehicles to make some extra money. And who doesn't like extra money? So there is no fee to acquire a Play Octopus tablet. All you have to do is meet a few easy requirements. One is to provide some screenshots that you are an active driver from your main profile from your Uber or your Lyft app. And you also have to provide screenshots that you have given at least 100 rides in this past month. So say for instance, you give 10 rides for 10 days out of the month, that's 100 rides. So pretty easy. If you can do that, then Play Octopus tablets are for you. So what comes all in this Play Octopus tablet kit for rideshare drivers? Well, obviously you get a Samsung tablet. Here's a view of the front, a view of the back, and they also provide a mounting kit that you would just wrap around the headrest of your front right passenger seat. Now you can only get one tablet. If you own a non-Tesla vehicle, you would simply use that Velcro strap and go over and around. But if you own a Tesla like me, you would have to just wrap the Velcro mount sideways just like that. So it comes with a USB-C charging cable and a cigarette light adapter. So simply just plug and play right into your car's power. That's pretty much it. Just attach it to the four corners that stretch out and your tablet, it will stay affixed onto the mount. Let's go over what a passenger can do with the Play Octopus tablet while they're riding comfortably in the back of your car. So these tablets operate off of a cellular service that is already included with this Samsung tablet, and they can play games, play trivia, check the weather, read up on driver information, check scores and whatnot. But most importantly, the tablet runs ads in between games, which in turn makes Play Octopus tablets available for rideshare drivers for free because they're getting ad revenue, which then gets us a little bit of the compensation. The most a driver can make from having the Play Octopus tablet running and being interacted with is $100 a month. Using the cellular service, they are able to estimate rides based on GPS or every ride given with the tablet running. 1 point is awarded to the driver, and half of a point is awarded for every game played by a passenger. You can keep track of your points, referrals, and Cashout on your driver dashboard under your Play Octopus account, so you can earn $25 for referring a friend or family member who also drives for Uber and or Lyft. So here's a screenshot of my Play account driver dashboard after 2 days. You're only able to cash out at every 250 points, which is equivalent to about $25. And payments are not done automatically. You can cash out anytime you get up to $25 or just let it ride and accumulate to save for a higher payout. You will need to submit debit card information in order to be able to receive direct deposit payments. All they ask in return is to be able to just at least give 100 rides a month. And if you don't, or stop driving altogether, to return it to them so that they can give it to the next available driver. I actually had to be put on a wait list, so I waited about 2 weeks until they said that the one came available. And if you do decide to return it, they will provide a FedEx label so you don't have to worry about shipping costs. And if you don't return it at all, a lost tablet fee will be incurred. Having a Play Octopus tablet in your rideshare vehicle can serve also as an icebreaker for conversation. And if the passenger decides not to talk at all they have to do is keep themselves busy with this tablet. I would greatly appreciate it if you use my referral code right here if this video helped and convinced you to get a Play Octopus tablet. Once again, it's free, so you don't have to pay anything out of your pocket. More information can be found at their website, which I will have linked down below in the video description. Drop any comments or questions down below and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. And to subscribe to my channel goes a very long way. Thanks for watching, guys.